This is the East Concourse elevator at Nova Place in Allegheny Center, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This used to be in a department store. Well, actually, this elevator is from 2001. I think that's when First National Bank moved in, but then they moved out. And I thought this was in Gecko Box, but I guess this is now a communal elevator. It's a very early Schindler 330A from 2001. Interlock February 2001, which is when 321 was still on 330, wasn't even around. Yeah. But it has a horizontal door frame, so it's a 330A, even though it has a little store there. Up to 2, you can turn it up. Here, 2. Honestly, I thought there was a Schindler 300A on the 2 here. I thought it was actually in the 10. Back down to 1. It's a basic orange laminate cab. Back on 1. Just randomly chimed, I don't know why. I did that earlier in the second floor, because that's going to be it.